What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean Sharkskin boots. You can see it by the little ripples in there. Cool. Now these are brand new, obviously, but we're gonna show you how to do it. Basically, first you get a cloth and make sure you wipe them off. I'm sure you're gonna get dirt on your boots sooner or later. So you know, pretty much just clean them off, dust them off real good. All right, and then you can get a toothbrush or a boot brush, whatever you want to use. Or I use this Angelus brush, but you can use any kind of brush to get inside the welt in here. So you go up in there, make sure you get dirt, all the dirt. You're gonna be having dirt for sure in there after a while. All right, get back here too. Cool. All right, and normally I test out different cleaners on the different skins, but this one actually sets Sharkskin in the back of the cleaner, and it's the Scout Boot Care Reptile Exotics cleaner. That's the only reason I didn't try different cleaners is just because it says Sharkskin. You can use it on the skin. All right, so first you're gonna spray the heck out these boots. Don't be shy with the spray. Nothing's gonna happen to the actual skin. All right, and it doesn't matter if you get it on the shaft, nothing will happen. Even in the stitching, nothing will happen to it either. I'm gonna spray the heck out of it to make it nice and supple, you could say. All right, and you can see how watery it is. Super watery, right? All right, cool. All right, and then you're gonna use the brush. You could go any direction. It's up to you. You just kind of get it in there. That's cracked, so probably the best way to go is with the grooves, just to get inside the cracks. All right, and it doesn't matter, like I said, if you get on the wow or on the shaft, right? And it doesn't matter about the stitching. Nothing's gonna happen to the stitching. All right, get it in there. Make sure it goes inside the skin, nice and supple. Make sure it's nice and soft. The skin's gonna be nice and soft. All right. Cool. You just do it until you kind of don't see any extra liquid on there. Cool. All right. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Then you're just gonna simply just wipe them down. Nothing will happen to the actual skin. It's gonna be looking good. Cool. Get it in the cracks in case sometimes you have some dirt. You're gonna have some dirt in there or some extra spray. Just use a towel or anything you want to use to get it in there. Clean it off. Cool. Cool. And that's how you clean and condition Sharkskin boots. If you have any comments or questions, let me know below. All right. See ya.